Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to start with the basics. We are going to start a Minecraft house. So make sure you guys like and subscribe before we get into it. So anyways guys, remember the days when you were very new to Minecraft and you didn't really know much. Like you didn't know what to build, you didn't know how to build it. Well, I'm sure you guys remember this house here. This is a basic Minecraft house. Basically you have four walls, and then you have a door, and you got a roof, and it's just so basic. And you even have the bed inside. Sometimes too people want to have different colors, but for today I'm gonna put like a blue bed inside. I think that's pretty cool. But guys, remember guys, it's like anything in life, you got to start off with the basics. So if this video is going to help you start building your first house on Minecraft, then go for it. So anyways, we're just making the floor guys, so we're getting rid of all the dirt here. We're knocking that dirt out, and somehow it just vanishes. It just disappears pretty much. Pretty cool. Anyways, so we're just gonna make the walls here. This is like the outline, so it's not exactly a square, but it's like a rectangle sort of. Anyways guys, remember back in school when you had to learn all those different shapes? Do we actually use them in real life? Do we actually need them? I don't think so. Anyways, I thought school was kind of like a joke, to be honest. One day you got like the teacher showing everyone a YouTube video on how to do this and how to do that. Like it was like, aren't they supposed to teach like you guys how to learn? Like why are they putting on a video? Like, and they're saying no, this video is really cool. What they're saying pretty much guys is they're saying that they can't teach you this because the YouTuber is more smarter than them. So I find that like, well, if you can't teach them, why are you a teacher? You know what I mean? Anyways guys, so yeah, that was like back in school days. But yeah, I knew that I was gonna be a YouTuber one day, so I was like, don't worry guys, one day I'll make it, one day I'll prove it to everyone. But I really have nothing to prove to anyone, to be honest. I'm just here making creative stuff and sharing it with you guys. And if you like it, make sure you guys are subscribed and click up the thumbs up button. But guys, put down in the comments what you guys want to do in life. Like, is it become a gamer? Is it work a 9 to 5 and work the rest of your life? Basically trading your time for money, or you want to be an entrepreneur, or do you guys want to resell stuff online? You want to be a Amazon affiliator? You want to be an influencer? Guys, put down in the just comments there what you guys want to do in life, because life, there's so much different options you guys can do. You can be a doctor, you can be a lawyer, you can be anything you guys want. You just have to set your mind to it, and never give up. So there we go, we got our bed there. I'm gonna make it a double bed. Whoops. If you put two beds side by side, it makes a double. Perfect. Now anyways, we're gonna get back to this here. We're gonna get some torches, because it's kind of boring if you have a house with no lights. You can't really read a book, you can't really go on TikTok or YouTube, you can't watch anything. So anyways, you guys need to light up your house. There we go, we got some torches there. That is amazing. Okay, cool guys. Anyways guys, so I was really thinking about this guys. I should really make the outdoor of this house look pretty cool. So I'm gonna put some steps here, put two torches there guys, and I'm gonna maybe put some gates around here, and I might want to plant like some trees. This is a very basic house guys, but like they say guys, if you want to become something great, you have to go back to the basics. It's like everything. If you want to learn how to play Minecraft, you have to go back to the basics. You have to learn how to make the simple things, and then once you know how to build the simple things, you can always get better and better on your builds, pretty much guys. Anyways, that's a lot, pretty much. But the thing is, if you take day by day, step by step, then it won't be a lot. The thing is, you guys just gotta do it consistently. That's the one thing I learned guys, and I think I learned this too late in life. Basically, if you want to do something in life, it's either start a business, start a YouTube channel, start gaming channels. The thing is, you have to be consistent guys. It's not like, okay, I'm gonna post a video today and then boom, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, it's gonna hit 1 million views. That rarely happens guys. It's like pretty much winning the lottery. It's kind of like, it's hit and miss. So anyways, if you're taking one thing away from this video, is first, start with the basics and be consistent every single day. Try to improve on a skill. So I'm trying to put cactus down, but it's not working. I'm gonna figure that out in a later video. But I'm gonna get these nice trees here. They are nice trees. They look like they're from Japan. Okay, perfect. and yeah, we're gonna make this place look nice. But that's the thing, guys, consistency is key, and never give up. You know, the minute you give up is the minute you guys stopped. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next videos. Take care.